Are you wondering how to amplify your website's visibility on search engines? Is the task of climbing the search engine rankings leaving you feeling overwhelmed? Well, fear not. With a few simple yet strategic steps, you can significantly improve your website's presence. The key ingredients to this recipe of success include focusing on keywords, meta tags, and producing high-quality content. It's also crucial to ensure your site is mobile-friendly and to keep a regular check on your analytics to track your progress. Follow these essential steps, and you'll see your website rise in the search engine rankings. The first step to enhancing your website's search engine presence is understanding what search engine optimization, or SEO, is and why it is so vital. SEO is the process of making your website more attractive to search engines, thereby increasing your chances of ranking higher in search results and driving more organic traffic to your site. In the vast digital world, SEO plays an instrumental role in helping your target audience find your website amidst a sea of options. Without effective SEO, your website may get lost in the depths of search results, making it difficult for potential visitors to discover your content. To master SEO, you need to comprehend how search engines work. These engines use complex algorithms to analyze and rank websites based on several factors such as relevance, authority, and user experience. By optimizing your website to align with these algorithms, you can enhance your chances of appearing prominently in search results. The bedrock of a robust website search engine presence is on-page SEO optimization. This involves enhancing elements directly on your website to improve visibility and ranking in search engine results. A pivotal part of on-page SEO is keyword research. Understand what terms your target audience is searching for and strategically incorporate these keywords throughout your website content. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Remember also to use these keywords in your meta titles, headings, and meta descriptions to signal to search engines the content of each page on your website. In summary, improving your website's search engine presence involves understanding SEO and how search engines work, optimizing your on-page elements, conducting thorough keyword research, and effectively using these keywords. Remember to also focus on quality content, mobile friendliness, and regular monitoring of your analytics. With these steps, your website will be well on its way to achieving a strong search engine presence.